Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will demonstrate the exact process for exporting Jira issues into an Excel spreadsheet following a clear, step-by-step method. If you have ever needed to move your data out of Jira for detailed reporting or further analysis, this tutorial covers every part to ensure a smooth and efficient transition. To start, open your Jira dashboard. Locate the Filters tab at the top of the interface, click it, and then pick All Issues from the resulting drop-down list. This area is where you begin managing the specific records you intend to transfer. To ensure you only get the relevant data you need, it is important to refine your results. You can utilize JQL or Jira Query Language for advanced customization. JQL is a robust tool for tailoring your search, but if you are unfamiliar with it, there is no need to worry. You can simply use the standard search filters Jira provides to narrow down your list by project, priority level, or the assigned user. Once your list is refined and ready for export, head to the upper right corner and click the three-dot icon. From the menu that appears, choose the Export option. You will then be presented with several formats for your spreadsheet. For a complete data set including every available field, select Excel CSV All Fields or Excel All Fields. The CSV version provides a comma-separated file, while the standard Excel option gives you a traditional spreadsheet in .xls format. Alternatively, if you prefer to use your saved settings, choose Excel CSV My Defaults or Excel My Defaults to export only the columns you have previously selected as important. After picking your format, Jira will generate the file and start the download immediately. Open this downloaded file in Excel to see your Jira information neatly organized into rows and columns, ready for work. Now you can edit the data, apply formulas, build charts, or generate pivot tables. The flexibility of Excel allows you to present and analyze your information exactly how you want. Following these steps makes managing Jira data in Excel simple and efficient. Thank you for joining us, and if this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.